Hey guys, today was kind of a crazy day at the shop. Something interesting happened today. I wanted to see what you guys do in these type of situations. Basically, I had a car that was towed in for a no start. It's a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Has a smart key, which means there's no actual ignition key. It's just push button start. Diagnosed it. Kind of shortcut in a way, but it worked. Jumped the starter at the relay, got nothing. And this particular car starter is kind of buried up under the intake manifold, so you can't really get to anything to test it. Battery tested good. I had a like vehicle. I jumped the starter and it cranked, so I sold a starter motor on it because starter motor was bad. No cranky. Long story short, I put the new starter in, go to start it, all I hear is and I'm like, what the heck? So I think, oh, maybe the battery's low. No, battery's good with jump pack on. It still does the same thing. It just does not, just engages and it just stops. So I'm like, it sounds like the motor's locked up. But I'm like, no, the motor ain't locked up. The motor's not locked up. So I check a couple other things, check the battery again, cables, everything's good. So finally I'm like, screw it. Let's put something on the crank and try and turn it. And sure enough, I put my big old breaker bar on that crank pulley. And I go to turn it and it... And no moves. Engine's locked up. Okay. Yeah, so basically, motor's junk. Apparently this is a common thing because our Hyundai dealership, they ended up taking it up there. They took it from me. I was getting ready to do the job and then they said, nope, we're going to do it under warranty up here at Hyundai. So, okay, fine. So yeah, so if you guys are replacing the starter, you might want to check to make sure the engine's not locked up. Food for thought. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, check me out on Facebook, Cars, Guitars, and Other Man Stuff. Yeah, give this video a like if you thought this was interesting. If not, I don't know what to tell you. Sorry. Alright guys, I will talk to you later.